In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write a script for TradingView Mobile. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get to the Pine Script editor on your phone, start a fresh script, choose the right type, and begin writing with confidence. First, open the TradingView app on your mobile device. Make sure you're on the latest version so the editor behaves as expected. Being signed in helps your work sync across devices and ensures your scripts are saved under your account. From the bottom navigation, tap Charts. This is the workspace where your script's logic will interact with market data. If you don't immediately see the toolbar, tap once on the chart to reveal the interface. Next, open the menu by tapping the three dots at the bottom and select Pine Script. This brings up the mobile Pine Script editor. You might see a previously open script. That's normal. The editor supports syntax highlighting and basic autocomplete, and rotating your phone to landscape can make typing easier. At the top of the editor, tap the current script name, then choose Create New. You'll be asked to pick the type of script. Choose Indicator if you want to visualize calculations on your chart or in a separate panel. Choose Strategy if you need entries, exits, and backtesting metrics based on your rules. Choose Library if you're creating reusable functions to share across multiple scripts. This won't plot by itself. After choosing, give your script a clear, descriptive name so you can find it later. Now you can write your script here. Start with a version declaration, then define whether it's an indicator, strategy, or library. Keep your first draft simple. Outline your inputs, compute a basic value, and plot it so you can verify behavior quickly. Add comments to explain your logic, and format your code for readability. This pays off as scripts grow. If you make a mistake, don't worry, the editor will highlight issues so you can fix them before continuing. That's all there is to it. Open the app, go to Charts, enter Pine Script from the menu, create a new file, pick the right type, and start writing.